Hi guys! Today we learned about urban farming, the cultivation of plants and fish in limited area. It is a practice that can be applied in urban areas and densely populated settlements. This time, we planted water spinach, a type of vegetable that grows fast and is easy to care for. It only takes 30 to 40 days until it is ready to be harvested. Of course, we need to care for it well. We also spread a type of catfish seeds, or in Indonesian, we call it ikan patin. The fish live in fresh water. Even though the care is relatively easy, it takes quite a long time to be harvested, around 8 to 10 months. Stay tuned to find out more about our water spinach and catfish. We will take care of them carefully until they are ready to be harvested. Thank you!